viewers. I would like to introduce you or welcome you all to Maths Marvel. This will be the first video of this channel, and we are going to start from the equation. Now here we can look at the introduction to equation, which says we serve as the fundamental of basic mathematics. Okay, so we look at the introduction. An equation is mathematical expression that assert equality of two expressions. Now, generally, when we look up the equation, it has to be balanced both left and right, just like how it is here in the general form. This is the general form of any equation. The left side must be equal to the right side, whereas the equal sign here denote the equality sign. Now we also look at the key components of equation. Now the key components here, we have the variables. The variables, these are unknown values, which we normally donate alphabets or letters. For instance, we can donate letters like X, Y, Z, etc. in an equation. And also we look at the constant. Constant, these are values that do not change in an equation. They can be numbers and they can also be letters, but they do not change at all. For instance, we have 2, 3, etc. in an equation. Now we have an operators. Operators also are mathematical expression that execute a specific task. For instance, we have the key basic operators, which are addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So these are the type of operators that we are familiar with, though we have more operators aside these four. Okay, we also look at the type of equations. Now, equations, we have series of equations. For instance, we have linear equation, which is always in the form of ax plus b equals to 0, where a and b are constant and x is the variable. We have quadratic equation, which is normally in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So where x is the variable, a, b, c there are the constant. Now we have the exponential equation. This is when the variable is raised to some power, just like b of x equals to some constant, where x there is the variable and then b and c are constant. We have logarithm equation. Logarithm equation, which is like log of b multiplied by variable equals to some constant, etc. But we have series of equation that we have aside from this mentioned. Now equations like logarithm equations, polynomial equation also, because when this type of equation also will increase in their end form, and even these two will be regarded as polynomial equations. Yeah, so to conclude this chapter, first we should understand that equation is very fundamental in maths. Is the basis for solving real life or real world problem. The key to mastering equation is practicing how to manipulate and simplify them to find the values of the unknown values. Thank you. So in the subsequent videos, we will start from the linear equation. Thank you.